We do believe that the White House is the symbol of American freedom and democracy, and there are billions of people around this planet who will certainly never visit the United States of America, will not go to the White House. Most of them will never even meet an American in their lifetime, but they know what the symbol of that house means and represents. And it's our privilege as an organization created by Mrs. Kennedy to carry that story forward, to work with every president and first lady. Our role is exactly the same, no matter who they are, and to do that on behalf of the American people. And there was no appreciation with earlier presidents for the finer, older things that we might think of as Americana or antiques. They would often sell what was in the White House to buy the new, more fashionable things. So extraordinary pieces of furniture and art were discarded or sold, and the new ones were brought in. So when the Kennedys came in, you had essentially 160 years of this way of doing things, and she thought that that was a travesty. The White House should represent the very best of American arts and artisans. It is the ceremonial stage upon which we receive our most important visitors from across the country and around the world. And she wanted to make it the very best. That was her vision. And I think she did a pretty great job of accomplishing that. And there's no law that says the Blue Room has to be blue. So much of this is governed by custom and tradition, but every single president and first lady have honored that custom and tradition and introduced something into that space that betters it in some way or showcases a different part of it. We've been able to recover 10 pieces of that original suite of 53. We know where 4 other pieces are, but we can't claim them because they were disposed of legally. But the rest are lost to history. But she had a heart and a vision for bringing back to the White House, to the degree possible, those things that had originally been there. And in the recent years, working with Mrs. Obama and Mrs. Trump, the White House Historical Association has invested over $800,000 to restore just those 10 pieces of furniture and some duplicates that had been made. You now recognize that as that extraordinary furniture that's in the Blue Room today.